Now our motto determine domain of that function. Our motto determine domain of that function. So how can do it? First of all, I know that if any function is given under root of whatever be the value of that one, it is defined only f of x is greater than or equal to 0. If f of x is greater than 0, if given under root of f of x, if f of x is greater than 0, then this function is defined. Clear? So you can say that this whole is greater than or equal to 0. So take log whole power 0, that is log power 0, that is 1. Okay, after solving this one we got that one. Okay, so x is lie between 1 to 2. Clear or not? Second one, log b, that is log b, suppose that is b, so log b at base 10, log b at base 10, log b as 10 is defined well if b is greater than 0. If b is greater than 0 means that value is greater than 0. So after solving this value we got x from 0 to 3. 0 to 3. Clear? So domain of that case first and here case first and here case second. So domain of that whole function is, how can determine? First of all, using line curve method, 0 to x 0 to 3 and corresponding that one 1 to 2. So common part of these two 1 to 2. If select any value in between 1 to 2 or equal to 1 and 2 also, then we got that function is defined. If you any value select, suppose that 2 put here, 3 into 2 6, here 2 square 4, 6 minus 4, that is plus 2. Clear? So it is also defined. Clear or not? So make it.